Hey everyone, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel. I'm rolling out today. It's really cold. It's like in the 30s. It's the weekend before Thanksgiving. So I'm going to run out to Kroger and just get a few little things. I need to get some cleaning supplies and just get some, because I'm going to eat carbs and stuff like that. So I'm going to go and make sure I have some salad and some fresh vegetables in the house, before the holidays, so that I can mix it up a little bit. Okay, so it's really cold, so I got my crochet bucket hat here, and this bad boy, there's nothing like a handcrafted crochet or knitted hat. The mass-produced ones, they use the most inferior fibers that they can find, because they have millions and thousands of products to get out. But when you get an artisan, someone that can, only are doing a few, that the quality is so much better. So I got my little bucket hat I created. This is a part of my crochet line. I got a few orders from that. And my scarf, it is really my little scarf here. And I get so many compliments when I go shopping and I wear stuff like this. And so I like having the fingerless gloves. I like them for driving. And then if I'm going to the store, I can still pick my items with my hands out. Excuse my nails. I haven't done my nails since I've been on YouTube, and I used to do my nails religiously, and I don't know what it's about. I guess I just put all my energy into trying to learn this craft of being in YouTube. I forgot, I just stopped doing my nails. But anyway, I'm getting myself warm, because I think I'm gonna bop into Dollar Tree as well. So while I was sitting here letting my car warm up, just wanted to chat with you guys. Okay, I have no makeup on whatsoever. It's too cold for all of that. So see you when I get to the store. Okay. People are driving crazy today. My God. Then be surprised when they butts get in a accident. Just driving, just turning in right in front of people. Cutting in front of people with just a second to spare. All right, I'm rolling up into Kroger. And yeah, get this thing done.
I need a courtesy card to guest care, please. A courtesy card to guest care, thank you.
Hey guys, I'm just leaving Kroger. And another tip, if you make things or create things, wear your creations. I got so many compliments on, everyone loved the color, and they just, I got so many compliments on my hat scarf set. I got 4 orders, and my cart knocked over this display and all of these little things fell out. And this lady helped me, you know, because this is lavender and purple, such a soothing color. And this lady helped me pick up all of those little things and put them back, and we got to chatting. And you know, I told her about my YouTube channel, told her about how she can get in contact with me to get some handcrafted crochet items. So, you know, always wear your stuff, show your stuff. And if you don't promote your own business, who will? Okay, family, I got the last of my groceries for Thanksgiving, and that's another one of my tips, is as much as you can, try to get everything you can the week before Thanksgiving. Throughout the last couple of weeks, you know, I've been chipping away at my groceries for Thanksgiving, so I'll get, you know, all the major stuff as soon as it comes out, like the turkey, chicken, whatever. Get all that, and then anything else like I want to have for the weekend, so I can hibernate, because I'm not doing like any Black Friday shopping. I'm going to stay in and just party all weekend. So the few little things I purchased, you know, I might want to have a smoothie. So I got frozen strawberries. They're cheap. They're like $2.79. Mango chunks. Everything's still in the bag, so let me organize it. Mango chunks. Got some dark frozen cherries and blueberries. Okay. Then I got these tomatoes, petite medley. 2 of those. These were 2 for $4. 2 of these. What do I have over here? Needed some Baker's Joy. I might make a pound cake. I'm not sure. I can't eat a lot of that good stuff I used to eat. Some dill pickle relish. Might want to make a chicken salad or something. Got some salsa. These cuties, I think they were like $3.99. Okay, we got that. I got 2 extra things of cheese. These were on sale, and then I had a coupon. Got some butter, more butter. The pineapples were like $1.49. If I remember the price, I'll tell you. And then I needed some hot cocoa. So this was $2. I think $1.99 or $2.99. A couple of bananas. And I must have, because I went through the self-checkout, I think I rang these up wrong. Daggone avocados rang up to like $7, I think. I gotta look at that again. Let me see. Avocados. $7.96. 4 for $1.99. I made a mistake. I rang that up. That is not right. Okay, so I can go back. I'm not trying to go back to that store, but I know I didn't ring that up right. And these were on clearance, so I'm not going to be chopping any lettuce this week. Got these reduced baby spring mix. I got 3 of those. I normally get romaine, and it was $4.99, just like 3 little sad looking romaine hearts. And so this was, yeah, so these are, the date on there was November 20th. Okay, we got that, and I got some, they had a good sale on some really good napkins. Excuse me. think these were 2 something. And then got the platters. No dishes around here this weekend. No dishes. Okay, so I got the plates. Let me see how much were those plates. Cuties. Oh, I don't know. Can't find it. Okay, so that's everything. So that's my tip. Get all your major stuff when you can, as your budget allows. And then, you know, we know Thanksgiving comes every year. So start planning. Like in October, they start putting this stuff out. Definitely November 1st, they will have everything out, all the major stuff. And then go back the week before, get it in your house, and then you can work on it at your pace. You know, if 2 o'clock in the morning, you feel like making deviled eggs, you can go on and get started. Get your drinks. I got my drinks out in the refrigerator. And yeah, so just reduce your stress. Then take a day where you want to clean. If you're having guests over, clean your bathroom. Have a cleaning day. And then have a meal prep day. All right, guys, so I just wanted to share that with you. And I could have bought you more coverage in the store, but I knocked down a display, and then it took me 10 minutes to, it was probably 100 pieces on that display. Looked at it at the bottom of the cardboard display thing, it was broken, so it was easily to knock over. So I picked all that stuff up with this lady, young lady. She helped me. She was young. She saw I was old and trying to pick up all that stuff. She was so sweet. She said, "What?" I said, "Thank you so much." She said, "No problem. Have a good day." Picked up her stuff, kept on going. All right, guys. See you later.